Hello science students, here is the video as promised on your Magma page in your rock cycle book. So, you have your sheet in front of you. This picture should look very familiar. You've seen this before. As you know, we are going to write the definition of magma and 2 facts. So, I'm going to go on the line of my paper and write the word definition. Sorry about that. I'm going to write definition. Okay, hit pause if you need to get that written down. Then I'm going to go over to my definitions and facts. I'm going to find magma. Here it is, in a very familiar picture. I'm going to then look for the definition. Your definition is underlined. Magma is molten or melted rock that is only found below the Earth's surface. Above the surface, it's called lava. Okay, your definition should be underlined. So you are going to take this definition and write it on your paper. Okay, I'm not going to show this. You're going to hit pause and look at your paper and add the definition behind the word definition. So hit pause now. Okay, thank you for coming back. On the second line, or whatever your next available line is, you need to write the word fact, fact, and the number 1. So guess what? We're going to go back to our facts and definitions and look at everything we've highlighted. Remember, what is highlighted is what we are using as facts. So, you have the first fact. Lava is made from melted minerals. Okay? You have also the next fact. Minerals are solid substances that occur naturally in nature. You have your third fact, fourth fact, and your fifth fact. What you're going to do is hit pause right now and write down one of these 5 facts. So hit pause. Write your fact next to the words fact and the number 1. Write it after these 2 dots. That's called a colon. Write it out. Hit pause now and do that. Alright, thank you for coming back. I'm going to go to the next available line. Write fact 2. I'm going to go back to my fact and definition sheet and find my next fact that I'd like to use. The next one I see says minerals are solid substances that occur naturally in nature. You are going to type that out, you're going to write that out next to fact 2 as neatly as you can, okay? Don't traumatize me with your handwriting. Slow it down, be neat, you can do it. So, once those things are done, definition, fact 1 and fact 2, you are going to take your colors and color in this picture of magma. Keep in mind, guys, this is a picture of a volcano. The sides right here, where my blue circle is the side of a volcano. So I would color this dark brown or black. Here is the other side over here. Everything that is coming out of it, of course, is lava. And here is your lava pool around it. Make it look nice. Okay, this is a project. Okay, guys, bye.